Why participate in UpLevel21 challenge? We are happiest when we are growing. I know because I have experienced life when I'm not growth-minded and when I am. My name is vanZ, and I am a wife, mother, entrepreneur, and a top leader with doTERRA. A few of my business partners got together and designed a fun way to up-level habits. So many people have gone through this program and have had tremendous success. That's why I've decided to jump in and do it full on, and I'm inviting you to join me. How can you participate? There are two ways to participate. You can sign up as a team. I am going to be one of the coaches, and when you do a team, there's 4 other people, and you compete as a team of 5. This is what's recommended. This allows you to work with a group of people you know, keep one another accountable, and work together to earn $1,500 cash team prize. Individuals can pay $10 to enroll as a single challenger, and you'll meet new friends, randomly be assigned a team to join, and learn from an experienced coach to guide you. UpLevel21 is designed to transform your routine and up-level your results in 21 days. This program starts the first day of the month. What you'll need to do is, first, decide you're going to enter the challenge either as a single challenger or join a team. 2, purchase a challenge kit, which includes TerraZyme, MetaPower Advantage, and MetaPower Recharge from the friend that invited you, and I'll have a special code for you at the end. Then you'll join the community and download the app from your email once you're registered. You'll track your habits for the 21 days. You're going to feel good by creating a healthy lifestyle, earn points. Tracking will be done via the app, and then there will be weekly drawings, so be prepared to win. The top teams will win $1,500 cash, and I want to share with you what the contents of your challenge kit purchase will do for you. That's the most exciting thing, I think. Let's start with TerraZyme. Did you know that cooking and processing your food can destroy the natural enzymes needed for proper digestion and overall health? In today's fast-paced world, our diets are often filled with processed and cooked foods, which can lead to enzyme deficiencies. This puts extra stress on our bodies to produce digestive enzymes, leaving less capacity for vital metabolic functions like energy production and cell repair. That's where doTERRA's TerraZyme comes in. This powerful supplement supports healthy digestion and metabolism by providing a proprietary blend of active whole food enzymes. With TerraZyme, you get effective gastrointestinal comfort and improved food tolerance, thanks to its blend of peppermint, ginger, and caraway seed extracts. It helps convert food nutrients into cellular energy and reduces internal demand for digestive enzyme production, freeing up your body's resources for critical metabolic functions. By taking TerraZyme, you're ensuring that your body has the enzymes it needs to break down food efficiently and maintain optimal health. Make digestion easier and enhance your overall health with TerraZyme. Try it daily in the challenge and experience the benefits of a more balanced and efficient digestive system. In summary, the top 3 benefits of doTERRA's TerraZyme include: 1, it supports your digestion. It helps your body to break down food more efficiently for better digestion. Number 2, it aids nutrient absorption. It assists in the absorption of essential nutrients from the food you eat. And number 3, it promotes gut health. It supports a healthy gut microbiome and overall digestive comfort. You want to keep your digestion in top shape and support your overall health with TerraZyme. Next, I'll talk about MetaPower Advantage. Imagine feeling mentally energized, maintaining a healthy weight, and enjoying youthful skin, all while supporting your metabolic health. As we age, our metabolism slows down, affecting our energy levels, weight, and even cognitive performance. Additionally, our bodies produce less NAD and collagen, leading to decreased vitality and skin elasticity. That's why doTERRA developed MetaPower Advantage. This innovative supplement is designed to support your metabolism, boost your energy, and promote healthy weight and body composition. MetaPower Advantage contains NMN, resveratrol, which increases NADH, and NAD, which activates longevity genes. With 9 types of marine collagen tripeptides, it improves skin elasticity, firmness, and hydration. The amino acids in the collagen support lean muscle and connective tissue, contributing to a healthy body composition. Combined with vitamin C, this supplement promotes collagen biosynthesis and supports your circulatory and nervous systems. Take control of your metabolic health. Feel stronger and younger with doTERRA's MetaPower Advantage. You can try it now in our UpLevel21 challenge and experience the benefits of a healthier, more vibrant you. The top 3 benefits of doTERRA's MetaPower Advantage include supporting metabolic health, which means it helps to maintain healthy metabolism for energy, weight management, and cognitive function. It promotes skin health, supports skin elasticity, firmness, and hydration for a youthful appearance. And number 3, it supports energy and vitality, enhancing energy production, and supports overall vitality and well-being. Experience the benefits of a healthier metabolism and increased energy with MetaPower Advantage. Now it's time to talk about MetaPower Recharge. Did you know that about 75% of people worldwide are dehydrated, missing out on essential electrolytes that keep our bodies energized and healthy? Dehydration affects everything from energy levels and concentration to muscle and nerve function. Even if you're drinking water, you might still be missing the key electrolytes needed for optimal hydration. Introducing MetaPower Recharge, doTERRA's electrolyte drink mix that provides a balanced blend of essential electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, along with deep ocean minerals and baobab extract. MetaPower Recharge improves cellular hydration and facilitates water transport between cells, ensuring your body stays optimally hydrated. With over 75 deep sea ocean minerals and a delicious strawberry or lemon lime flavor, it will fit perfectly into your daily routine with the MetaPower system. Plus, it's free from GMOs, gluten, dairy, preservatives, and artificial flavors. Stay hydrated and energized with MetaPower Recharge. You simply shake a sachet into 16 ounces of cold water and enjoy the benefits. Try MetaPower Recharge today and power up your hydration for a healthier, more vibrant life. The top 3 benefits of doTERRA's Recharge is it hydrates and replenishes electrolytes. By doing this, it helps to maintain hydration and replenishes essential electrolytes. It also helps to boost energy and vitality, helping you feel refreshed and energized. And it promotes overall well-being by supporting your body's natural functions and helps you stay hydrated throughout the day. Stay hydrated, energized, and refreshed with doTERRA's Recharge. Let's recap how the program works. Join the challenge, get invited by a coach like me, mark off your daily habits each day of the challenge starting the first of the month. 90% or better compliance will enter you to win cash. Daily habits for the challenge include gratitude, movement, supplements, nutrition, water, sleep, and stretching. Now that you know what the UpLevel21 challenge is all about, I invite you to join us and transform your habits, health, and life in just 21 days. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel as you uplevel your daily routines, supported by a community of like-minded individuals, all striving for the same goal. This is your chance to invest in yourself, build healthier habits, and maybe even walk away with some amazing cash prizes. Whether you join as part of a team or as an individual, you'll have the support, tools, and motivation to make lasting changes. The power of community combined with the effectiveness of doTERRA's incredible products like TerraZyme, MetaPower Advantage, and MetaPower Recharge will help you achieve your goals and feel your best. Don't wait. Take this opportunity to grow, to challenge yourself, and to experience the profound benefits of living a healthier, more vibrant life. Join the UpLevel21 challenge today and start your journey towards a better you. Message me to sign up if you want to be part of my team, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Together, let's uplevel our health, our habits, and our lives. I can't wait to see you in the challenge. Message me to join my team or visit UpLevel21.com. Purchase your challenge kit at wholesale price via I was going to have a QR code, but let's go to doTERRA.me/4BBYF, capital F and capital Z. So again, that link is doTERRA, DOTERRA, /4, lowercase BBY, capital F, capital Z. And you'll find that there's been a kit so that you can purchase the challenge kit there at wholesale prices and be part of my membership, my whole, my wellness community membership team. Take care and look forward to seeing you soon.